Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to verify a smart contract deploy on the XDC network using XDCScan. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare a standard JSON input file. There are two methods depending on how you deploy your contract, either using Hardhat or Remix. If you use Hardhat, check the description box below for the steps. If you use Remix, follow these steps. Go to the compilation tab in a Remix. And once your contract is compiled, click on compilation detail. Find the compiler input option, copy the content and save it as a JSON file. After creating JSON file, next you visit XDCScan Explorer, link is given in the description, and enter your deployed contract address in the search bar. Select your contract from the drop-down and you will be taken to the current page. Scroll down to the current tab and click verify and publish. This will be take to the verification page where you need to enter the key details. First, select the contract license from drop-down, example MIT. Next, choose the standard JSON input as a verification method. Enter the exact contract name used during deployment and select the compiler version that matches the one used. For a constructor arguments, choose yes to fetch them automatically or no to enter them manually. Now, upload the JSON file we prepared earlier. This file contains essential metadata including the source code, API and other details required for verification. After uploading, review all the details on the verification page to ensure the contract address, name and compiler setting matches the deployed contract. Click verify and publish to complete the process. If everything is correct, XDCScan will display a success message confirming that your contract is verified. After that, verifying your contract ensures transparency and security, allowing user to inspect the source code, API, and other key details directly on XDCScan. A verified contract builds trust within the XDC community and makes it easier for developers and investors to interact with your smart contract confidently. By following this process, you ensure that your contract is properly documented and accessible to anyone who wants to verify its legitimacy. Additionally, a verified smart contract makes integration with DApps, exchanges, and wallet much smoother. Many platforms require verified contract for security reasons before listening tokens or interacting with decentralized application. This means that contract verification is not just about transparency, it's also a crucial step in expanding the usability and the adoption of your project in the XDC ecosystem. At last, if you have any issue, double check your contract details, compiler version and JSON input files. Also ensure that you have selected the correct license and verification method. If the problem presents, refer to the description box for troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave your question in the comments below or post them on xdc.dev. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.